A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Beyond Perception, the human-divine bond in the light of quantum possibilities. Ladies and gentlemen, across civilizations and eras, humanity has looked beyond the visible world for guidance and reassurance, especially in times of turmoil and uncertainty. In this search, a recurring instinct has emerged to reach out to a higher presence, often termed divine. This presence is felt not through logic but through a quiet knowing, an emotional connection that transcends time, language, and geography. This emotional bond, passed through generations, has been expressed in countless ways through rituals, prayers, meditation, chants, silence, and surrender. For those who carry trust and devotion, these practices serve not only to calm the inner storm but also to establish a subtle connection with the cosmos. This connection brings emotional balance, a sense of purpose, and a deeper alignment with the flow of universal energy. Ancient wisdom traditions across continents have dedicated themselves to exploring the nature of life, its rarity in the known universe, and the higher purpose of human existence. Their teachings, whether from the Vedas, the Tao, or indigenous philosophies, suggest that existence is not random but part of an interconnected, intelligent design. On this path of inquiry, saints and sages concluded that life finds harmony only when it is lived in tune with this universal order. Modern science, especially in recent decades, has begun to revisit these age-old truths, but through a different lens. Quantum physics, by observing the behavior of particles smaller than atoms, has revealed that the universe is not solid and separate, but interlinked and responsive. Subatomic particles can influence each other instantly across vast distances, a phenomena known as entanglement. Matter appears as both particle and wave, depending on how it is observed. This has brought forward an extraordinary possibility. Reality itself may be shaped by consciousness. In this context, spirituality may be viewed not merely as belief but as an emotional energy exchange, a two-way communication between the human mind and the larger field of existence. When a message is sent from the heart, carrying humility, sincerity, and surrender, it appears to resonate with the cosmos, and often the cosmos responds through insights, alignments, or silent reassurance, always in ways that support balance and growth. The brain may serve as the interface, a transmitter of emotional frequency, and also a receiver of cosmic signals. Though science has yet to fully decode this, the recurring lived experience of such interactions across cultures offers a compelling reason to explore this further. The Bhagavad Gita captures the essence of this connection with breathtaking clarity in the words of Lord Krishna himself. Whoever offers me with devotion a leaf, a flower, a fruit, or even water, I accept it from the pure-hearted. This verse does not just speak of ritual, it speaks of energy. It offers a powerful reassurance that any sincere emotional offering, no matter how simple, carries the potential to be received by the divine. For those who already walk this path, it is a message of profound validation. For those yet to begin, it is an invitation, silent, gentle, yet transformative. What's the way forward? As emerging sciences such as quantum biology and consciousness studies probe deeper into the nature of reality, there lies great promise in viewing emotional spiritual communication as a genuine field of study. If approached with openness, science may yet discover how emotional energy travels, how the brain receives or deciphers subtle impulses, and how resonance with the cosmos may be cultivated consciously. At the same time, this journey is not limited to laboratories and research institutions. For those who already experience and nurture this connection, the message is one of continued exploration and reaffirmation. And for those in search of meaning or direction, there is space to begin, each in their own way, guided by inner sincerity rather than external expectation. Sometimes understanding begins not through proof but through presence. The journey need not be perfect, it only needs to be genuine. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, those who already walk this inner path, feeling the subtle whisper of the cosmos and responding with reverence, may take heart. They are not alone, nor are they ungrounded. Their journey is aligned with something larger, possibly far more scientific than currently understood. Let them continue exploring, as the universe often reveals more to the quiet seeker than to the loud analyst. For others, this may be the moment to begin, to pause, to feel, and to tune into the vast, intelligent silence that surrounds and includes all life. Science, through ages, has often followed intuition, and many of its greatest discoveries have emerged from questions once labeled mystical. In the vast and ever unfolding universe, the human quest for connection remains unchanged. While the languages of science and spirit may differ, the destination appears to be the same: to understand the design behind existence and to align with it in thought, feeling, and action. As quantum science opens new windows into the unseen, and ancient wisdom continues to offer tested pathways, the bridge between the human and the divine may slowly come into view, not as fantasy but as frontier. And perhaps in this convergence lies the next evolution of consciousness itself. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.